Welcome to my Adobe Premiere Basic tutorial. First of all, I will go to Windows. I will go to Adobe Premiere. Once Adobe Premiere have opened, we will see this window. In this window, we will choose New Project. Then we will choose the location for our project. We will press on Browse and choose the folder where we want our project to save. Then we will choose a name for our project. And we will press OK. We will get these panels in the Adobe Premiere. To make sure we have all the panels we need, we will go to Window and then Workspaces. We'll make sure Editing is pressed because in editing we can get all the panels we need to edit our video. The first panel I will go in is Project Panel, where it's Import Media to start. There is two ways to import media. The first way is to double click on it. I will choose my folder and press Import Folder. And the second way, now I press Cancel, is to go into Folders and then go where there is the location of my folder. I will drag and drop it in the panel. Now I have it here. I will double click on it and another panel will appear with the videos. When I put the cursor on the video, I will see that if I move it, I will see what's in the video. The same for the other ones. I can see what's in the video without pressing on it. Now I will start with my first video. I will double click on it. Once I double click on it, it will show in the source panel. I can now see what's in it in a big one. To know the information about my video chosen, I will go to metadata. I can see here my frame rate. The frame rate of this video is 25 frames per second. The media duration is 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Now I will go back to my video. I will choose the part I want to put it into my sequence. I can mark the video in by pressing here, or I can just press I from the keyboard. And then I can mark it out by pressing here, or just by pressing O from keyboard. Now I have marked my video. There is two ways again to put it in the timeline panel. I can put it from here, or I can just drag and drop it in the timeline panel. And I see that my sequence is done and the video appeared in the program panel. To make sure the sequence has the same settings as my video, I can go here for sequence and press on sequence settings. I can see that it's 25 frames per second, the same frame rate as the video. Now I see that my video is here. I can see it by holding the cursor and moving it, or I can just press space bar on the keyboard. I can press space bar again to pause Now I will continue choosing my videos. This video I want to choose it without sound, so when I want a video without sound I'll press here, and if I want sound without picture I need to press here. So I will press here to take the video without its sound. As we see, we have the video here without sound. Now I will take from another video. Now I can see I have these videos. If I want to see all of my sequence panel, I can zoom out by pressing minus on the keyboard. In this way I can see all my videos on the timeline, and plus to zoom in. I can see now that this one have black from up and down. However, this one takes the whole window. I want to make this one same as the others. I will press on it, and then I will go to Effect Controls, and in Scale I will press the cursor and move it to the right in order to make the video bigger, like this. Now I have same size as the other ones. If you want to delete a part from a video, we will have to choose the razor from here, or we can just press C on the keyboard and we will get the razor. I press on V on the keyboard to go back to my cursor. I will press on the part I don't want, and I will delete it by pressing backspace on the keyboard. Now I can see that I have empty space between my videos that I need to get rid of it. There is two ways to get rid of this empty space. The first way is by pressing, and then I will right click on it and press triple delete. And the second way is it's only pressing, and then I will press backspace on my keyboard and the space is gone. Now since I have all my videos on the timeline, I will go to my next step by putting transitions to my video. The easy transitions to put is the cross dissolve by pressing Ctrl D for Windows and Command D for Mac. Once I press it, I will see that now I have this effect on my video. I will press space to see. Another way to choose my effect is to go to Effects. I will write cross. Now I will choose this one to put on my last video like this, and to see what I have done. Now if I don't like what I have done, I can undo what I have done by pressing Ctrl Z on the keyboard, Command for Mac, and like this the effect will be gone. Or I can just, when I put it, I can press on it and just delete it by pressing backspace on the keyboard. And I can then choose another one. Another thing for effects is that it's not only for the beginning and the end of the videos. I can also put effects between videos. So I can see if I drag and drop this one, I can see that I can put it here between two videos. I will put it now and then press spacebar to view the effect transition. As you can see, it merged my two videos together. I will put another one here, and now my video is ready with the effects. The only thing it needs more is to put a title for my video. I will select all videos, move them a little forward, and then I will go to File, New, and choose Title. I press OK. New window will appear for me. I will draw my text box in here. I can name the video whatever I want. I will name it Lebanon. And then after naming it, I can select it and choose any font I want from here, like this. I can also choose the color I want. I will choose my color, red. And after choosing the font and the color, I can scale the title by this. And if I want to move it, I press the cursor here and move it like this. Now when I press close here, the title will be saved automatically. And I will find it in my project panel. Here we go. I will drag and drop it into my timeline. I can see it now here. I will press on my title, then press Ctrl D to put some effects. Now my title is ready. I will get rid of this space. Now I can see that my video is ready. The next step is to export my media. I will press on File, Export Media. And in here we can see that there is format where there is many things I can choose from. And in the preset, there is also many things I can choose from. For more information, don't hesitate. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and you can always register in my courses. Thank you.